Alright, before we start, if you already know how to install a Unity package into a Unity 2022 avatar project, then you don't need to watch this video and you can skip to the next one. You can find the package in the downloads when you've bought the model. For those that have never done this before, or you need a refresher, first make sure that you've bought the avatar on Gumroad and that you are at least a user rank on VRChat. You can check this if you go to the VRChat page, vrchat.com, and you click on your profile right here after logging in. Around your profile icon is your user rank at the bottom right here. If this says new user or visitor, you will not be able to upload your avatar and you need to get someone else to do this for you. And if you are a user or above, then you can continue as normal. The first thing we're going to need is the VRChat Creator Companion. We can get this from the downloads page. Go ahead and click this button on the left here. Click download the Creator Companion. Once this has downloaded, go ahead and run the exe. Go through the installation process. Once it's downloaded, it should automatically start for you, and you want to click Show Me Around. Now, if you've never used the VRChat Creator Companion before, then I recommend you read through some of this and get familiar with the interface. Otherwise, we can go ahead and skip forward, press Continue. It's going to say that your Unity editor is not found if you don't have Unity, and if that's the case, go ahead and click Continue, install Unity, download the Unity Hub from Unity's website. Click Download for Windows, and install the Unity Hub. Once it's done, go ahead and click Finish, make sure that Run Unity Hub is enabled. And it's going to direct you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can click Create Account here. Once you've signed in, it's going to direct you to install a version of Unity. We do not want this version of Unity, so we're going to go ahead and press Don't Ask Me Again and skip installation. Now Unity Hub is ready. Let's go back to Creator Companion and click I have installed the Unity Hub. It's now going to direct you to install the correct version of Unity, so press this blue button. Now VCC will be trying to download the correct version of Unity for you. Now I have had trouble with this in the past, so I'm going to show you what you should do if this freezes at any point. If it does freeze and is no longer progressing, press Having Trouble, try Manual Install. It will cancel trying to install from here, and you can click this top blue button. This will direct you to the Unity Hub. If you intend for your avatar to be supported on Quest, then you need to enable Android build support. Otherwise, you can press Continue and install. This will take a while.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
At some point during the install, it'll tell you to install Visual Studio. You actually don't need this for the avatar, so you can press the X. And now Unity is installed. We can go back to the Creator Companion and say that I have installed the Unity editor. Now we can click Open the Creator Companion and go to Create New Project. Click on Unity 2022 Avatar Project, scroll down, and give your project a name. Click Create Project, and now press Open Project. And once again, this will take a while. Once the project has finally opened, we can close out of this. It's not important. Go to the VRChat SDK at the top, show Control Panel, and you want to go ahead and sign in here. Now once you've signed in, you want to go ahead and dock this VRChat SDK somewhere because we're going to be using this a bit later. Now we want to go to the Gumroad downloads after you've purchased the Neri and click on Download on the Neri Unity package file. Once this is downloaded, you can go ahead and click it. In Unity, this will bring up an Import Unity package window. You just want to go ahead and click Import. Doing anything with Unity involves a lot of waiting. Finally, when the package is done importing, you have set up the full project. I recommend following the Getting Started guide. You can tab through the pages, get comfortable, but if you want a more visual explanation, go to the next video.